to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, this is Carine from CarIz Beauty&Cosmetics, and today we are going to learn how to do this look. We're talking about something else. So guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we are waiting for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and let's go into business and learn how to do this.
So guys, as maybe some of you would know, I studied in India for 4 years in Ahmedabad at Nima University, and maybe some of you would be thinking that studying abroad, it's all about fun, making new friends, going out when you want, having a little bit of independence, doing what you like, I don't know what so many things, yeah. But I would tell you that it's not always about that. And I would also want to tell you first that Indians are good, and I would say they are great people. They are welcoming and they are nice. I hear that when I was in Africa before going to India, I used to hear people saying India is a racist country, they are racist. But all these stories of racist, when I was in India, I never experienced or coming across a racist person. So for me, I would say for my 4 years in India, I've never met a racist person or being across a racist person. And I would say I really can't say Indians are racist because I never ever experienced that one. I would say Indians are great people and they are so welcoming, nice and helpful. You might be lost, they will show you a way. Even if they don't know the language you are talking, they would be curious, they would want to talk to you. Yeah. So I would say for me, they weren't racist. And I would like to share with you some of challenges I faced in India. Since before I go to India, I used to have ideas of this abroad studies, being a great I don't know, just having fun, doing what you want, you understand? So I would like just to share with you the experience and the challenges I really faced there. So first challenges I faced was the language. I went in India thinking that, in India people speak in English. In India, people don't speak in English. India is a big country, and everyone who has been in a big country know how it works. It's a very big country, and each state talk in its own language. So me, I was in Gujarat, and they used to talk in Gujarati. So me, I never knew. I thought that, okay, I'm going there, I know English, everyone talks in English, it will not be a problem for me to get used to the situation, having friends, I don't know, I just being in an environment which I won't have problem speaking. So for my surprise, when I reached there, almost no one knows English. Just few people knows English. You would see, I would say even some people with the PhD, they are not that much able to express themselves in English, but they have PhD. But I won't say that they don't know English. They know English, but just speaking in English is an issue because they are not that much used to it. Even at school, they will teach half in English, some explanation they will do in Gujarati, sometimes in Hindi. So once you go there, just if you are planning to go to study in India, maybe you should start looking for, I don't know, I wouldn't say learn the language, because there is nowhere in Africa where they will teach you Gujarati or Hindi. It's better that you know Hindi, because Hindi, even everywhere in India they talk in Hindi. So yeah, I would say that maybe you start just having an image, maybe getting friends there who are already used to living there. So yeah. And the second biggest challenge, which I think wherever everyone goes to study, it's even if it's India, England, America, Canada, Europe, everywhere you go, that challenge is there. It is the loneliness. Everyone who has gone to study abroad, or I can say away from their family members, they would tell me that, or they will tell you that the first challenge they face is loneliness. Because me, I would say when I reached in India, I had my own apartment and I was living alone. So first I didn't have friends. I had one friend, and may God bless her, because she's the greatest friend or a greatest person I've ever met. She was so helpful and so caring. I don't know what I can say about her, but may God just bless her. And I would say when I went to India, that loneliness came because at school, I'm alone if my friend is not around. Everyone talk in Gujarati. Even her, she used like to talk in Gujarati in the beginning because she never knew English before. So I was the one who really taught her English. So in the beginning, I had that issue of loneliness. You go to school, you are alone. If she's not around, I'm alone. And sometimes she will call me telling me she's not coming tomorrow at school. I would feel just like staying home, because I would feel like, what will I be doing at school? No one to talk to me. In class, teachers teach in English, but sometimes they will jump into the Gujarati thing. People will be laughing. Me, I will just be there looking around as if I'm I don't know, in the lost world, if I will call it that way. So yeah, even at home, you will be alone. Let's say you are watching a movie, or you are just having a story to tell, but you have no one to tell it to say it to. You're watching a movie and you want to, if there is a comedy or a funny scene and you want just to laugh about it, you just want to comment about it, but who are you going to comment with? Like, you are alone. It's just be like kind of a thing. You laugh a little bit, and yeah, I don't know, it's you would even find it difficult for you to watch a movie. And another thing, it will be maybe also the third challenge was finance. Managing your own finance. Maybe the parents send you money. I wouldn't say my parents wasn't sending me money. They used to send me money. Parents will send you money, but for you to manage that money, it's also another challenge. We think that having money won't be a problem once abroad, but just imagine your parents give you money and they will tell you this money you should keep this money maybe for 3 months, and you will start thinking and making plans like, okay, for food I need this much, I need to pay my electricity bills, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to pay my transport, I need to, I don't know, so many things. I need to buy clothes, I need to buy shoes. So all that you will be planning it by yourself. It's in the beginning, you are coming from home, you have no idea. So everything, it will be you planning for your own self. You understand? So that also will be a challenge. Just managing the money will be a challenge, because you may find some friends who has money and want to spend around, maybe going for movies, traveling, you don't have. So you will be obliged to start spending even the one you don't have, and end up being broke. So guys, those were my challenges there. Transport also was the challenge because of the language, of course, but I've already talked about it. And also friends, and be aware of bad friends once they're out. we always like think that everyone, if you are there outside Africa, you think everyone you meet an African, you can talk to them and it will be okay. It's not always like that. Not all the Africans will be your friends. Me, I would say I did 2 years in India without meeting an African, and I was okay. But once I met them, I would tell you the truth, they just made your life a hell, a living hell. Like, they have drama everywhere. Like, you wouldn't even ask yourself, what's wrong with these people? Like, they like drama, they like problems. I don't know. But that was my situation. So guys, also maybe other people we can have different challenges. It's depending on where you are. But yeah, those were my challenge, and I think that they will be helpful to you if you are looking forward to going abroad and study abroad. Hope this my story and my challenges will be helpful to you. And yeah.
So guys, we have come at the end of our video. Hope that you enjoyed the video, you learned something from the talking, and don't forget to like, to share with your friend, leave your comments on what you think about this new thing. If you think that we should go back into what we are doing, or just continue telling about something else we're doing makeup, just let me know. Leave your comments, let me know what you think about it, and hopefully to see you next time. Bye. God bless you.